NASCAR nationwide restrictor plate racing at Daytona. When we put the plates on, we talk about one thing, drafting. Drafting's not a new idea, pretty novel idea. Use the air off the car in front of you to make your car go faster. Simple, right? Well, not so simple anymore. Now we have tandem drafting, where they hook two cars bumper to bumper like two engines in a freight train to get twice the power. Pretty tricky. If you do it right, you check out. If you do it wrong, you wreck out. Let's look at the master, Tony Stewart. You know, he hasn't won 6 times the Daytona Nationwide race because he doesn't know how to draft.
Tony, 4 back, coming to get you.
And here you can see Tony's coming up behind Danica, carrying a lot of speed. He starts dragging the brake.
Here comes Tony. There you go. He's there.
No big contact, doesn't upset her car, gets to the outside, continues to push in a straight line, keeps her going, constant push, nice and smooth. Now let's take a look and see what happens when Cole Witt, a rookie at the time, makes hard contact in the wrong spot.
88 on your bumper.
He's got too much speed, hits hard at the rear bumper, hits her again on corner entry.
Trouble. Danica Patrick has gone around, down to the apron, up the banking, and into the outside retaining wall.
The worst place you can hit a car at Daytona is corner entry.
88 hit me when we're in a big pack.
Yeah, your record's not over there.
What the is he thinking?
What we're going to talk about now is side drafting. Side drafting is really important. Picture the wake of a boat, how that water comes out in a V. Well, the same thing happens with the air of the car, and you can use that air coming off the side of your car to speed your car up, slow another car down, or break up a tandem draft. Great example of how to use the side draft right here. 2 good drafters, the Busch brothers. Kurt Busch in the 1, coming up on the 0-1. Watch him as he goes to the outside. The air off the nose of his car packs into the right rear wheel well of that 0-1, slows him down, pulls him away from U12. They're checking out.
You separated them by doing that. We need to remember that.
All right, let's look at an example of extreme side drafting. Look at these guys out front, the 09 and the 23. They're leading the race. They have no idea what's coming. Here comes Tony Stewart to the outside. There's another car on the inside. They're stuck in the middle. Giant wake. Looks like they jam on the brakes. Look at 23. It looks like he's got an anchor hook to the bumper. That air is so strong. When you're tandem drafting, it's very difficult for the car behind to see. So communication is very important. In 2011, the drivers were allowed to talk directly to one another over the radio.
Hey, Joe, when we switch, drag the brake a little bit just to start your slowdown. Because these cars, when you pull out, you just run into a brick of air. And before we get to there. Put us one before we get to this other group up here. Yeah, fall before the group here. Now, come on, now. Hello.
In 2012, NASCAR made a rule change so the drivers couldn't talk to one another. That makes it a lot tougher on the driver that's pushing.
I can't stress enough how blind we are when we're pushing.
It's all on the spotter now to guide the driver that's pushing and driving blind through traffic.
These guys are 2 slow cars on the bottom. They'll move to the middle lane. Move it to the middle lane. There you go. Here's your slow cars on the bottom. You're both clear low.
Key to winning at Daytona? Good restarts at the end of the race. Key to good restarts? Tandem restarts. Key to a good tandem restart? Communication with your partner. This is a green-white checker. We got Kyle Busch running behind his brother Kurt, who's leading the race.
Basically tell them that Kurt can't go until I'm on a bumper.
He can't go till I'm on his bumper. 2 motors hooked together.
I'll start pushing. He'll have to drag the brake. And then we both just go together. Get him up to you right away. Got to drag till he hooks with you right away. Get ready, go.
Green flag. Watch the 54 push the 1 out ahead of all those other guys.
Clear, you're clear. Come on down. Stay to him.
Get out front. I said a good restart was a key, not a guarantee. Even when you do everything right, sometimes at Daytona, it's still not enough. Half a lap to go. Oh, yeah, half a lap to go, and that 20 and 60 are hooked up. Look at them bumper to bumper. Watch for that side draft we talked about.
You're unhooked. You got to get back to him.
Unhook them, split them up.
Block. Go up a little bit.
Go, no, go up. He's already in there. Have too much momentum from the draft. Oh, spotter, you just wrecked him. I don't know which way the air's going there, but I do know where that number 30 car is going. drafting partner needs to be Lady Luck.
Come on, come on. We might win it. Come on. Yes, baby. Yeah.
Jump forward, July race at Daytona last year. Tandem drafting, I'm expecting to see more of the same.
This is going to be 4 cars to settle it.
Here they come. Checkered flag is in the air. Who's going to win it? Contact coming to the checkered flag. Austin Dillon spins. Kurt Busch wins. This is a pattern I think you're going to see again in this weekend's race. Tandem drafting, aerodynamics, all about the laws of physics. Key law of physics, not to break. 2 objects cannot occupy the same space at the same time. To win at Daytona, sometimes you just need to be lucky and miss the wrecks.
So when he's wearing the glasses,